Hi students, class 10 chapter 1 exercise number 1.1 question number 1. Find A cross B and A cross A and B cross A, right? First the set element, first one Roman number A is given as 2 minus 2 3, 2 minus 2 and then 3, and B is given as 1 minus 4. First we have to find out A into B, A into A and B into A. Let's check one by one solution. Suppose it is A Cartesian product of B is equal to, see that A, what are the set A? Let we draw like this. It is very useful to write the sets easily. 3, that is set A. The set B is 1 and minus 4. Now the Cartesian product means in the first set each element is mapping with the second set element, right? So the ordered pair is 2, 1 and then 2, minus 4, and then second one is minus 2, 1 and then minus 2, minus 4, and then third one is 3, 1 and then 3, minus 4. This is A cross B or A into B, right? Next we have to find out what is A into A. The set A is Cartesian product of A. Both sets are A. Here I write the set A. 2 minus 2 3. Here also the set A minus 2 3. A B C. The first set mapping, right? So 2, 2, 2, minus 2 and then 2, 3. And then you have to select this number minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2 and then minus 2, minus 3. So last one is 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and then 3, 3. This is A cross A. Finally we have to find out what is B into A. Now B set into A set. The B set elements are 1 and minus 4, and then A set's elements are 2, minus 2, 3. This is B, this is A. Now Cartesian product of these two is 1 is mapping with 2, 1, 2, and 1 is mapping with minus 2, 1, minus 2, and then 1 is mapping with 3, 1, 3, and then minus 4. Minus 4 is mapping with 2, and then minus 4 is mapping with minus 2, and then minus 4 is mapping with 3. This is A cross B. So the first Roman number we have completed, A into A and A into A, sorry, A into B, A into A and B into A. Next we see the second Roman number. See the second Roman number, A is equal to B, right? Both the set A and B are the same. Let me take it as A is equal to P, Q, and then B set is equal to P, Q. Now we have to find out A into B and B into A into A. By the condition, we know that A into B is equal to B into A means both the set A and B are equal, right? So A into B I am going to find first. So P is mapping with P and P is mapping with Q, P, Q. If you understand to write like this, or otherwise just write the terms, it is very easy to write out P, Q, P, Q. This is A, this is B. P and P, P and Q. Next one, Q and P. The last one is Q, Q. That is A into B. By the condition, we know that the set A and B are equal means, then we can say A into B is equal to B into A. Now here I am writing B into A is equal to the same set as it is P, 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 Q, Q, P, and then Q, Q. So next we have to find out what is A cross A. So what about the A cross A? A is mapping with the A means only 2. Again it will be repeated, right? So A, P, Q, again A is P, Q. So P is mapping with P, P is mapping with Q. This is A into A. So the terms did not change as it is, we get the same answer. So when the sets are equal, then A into A or B into B or A into B or B into A, all the terms, all the Cartesian products must be equal. So this is the Roman number 2 answer. Next we see the Roman number 3. See, the Roman number 3 is given as the set A is equal to M and N. The set B is equal to pi. By the condition, we know that when the two set is given means when we have to find the Cartesian product means the two set should be non-empty. Then only we can find out. Here one of the set is empty means then A cross B is equal to, that is M comma N into pi is equal to pi. Right? And then B cross A is equal to, that is pi into M comma N is also a pi set. Surely the two sets should be non-empty. One of the set is empty means then we get the result as a empty. Then A cross A is equal to, see here M comma N is product of M comma N. So M is mapping with M and M is mapping with N, M comma N, and then N is mapping with M and then N is mapping with N. This is A cross A. Or otherwise you just write this like this, M, N, that is A cross A. Now we can easily write the relations of Cartesian product of A into A. So this is the third Roman numbers answer. Thank you, students.